Hello people, this is Mansi from evidati.in. In this session, we will be using custom guides. For that, let's create a new document. I'll go to File tab, click on New, and I'll choose the print section, and then I'll give some custom settings. I'll change it 2 inches maybe, and the width will be 3 inches, the height will be 2 inches, and I'll also set it to landscape mode, and then choose the bleed, maybe this much, and then press create. So now you can see this is my new document. Before working on this, let's set up some safe area. Over here you can see we have the bleed outside, so let's do it inward. That can be for trimming or anything that you think you should keep an area. That could be for trimming, etc. So for that, the first thing I need is the rulers. I'll go to view, and over here I have the option of rulers. I'll click on show rulers. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl plus R. I'll simply click on this and you will get rulers. Now the next thing is setting up the guides. So for that I'll simply click and drag. You will see I will simply click on the ruler, and जब मैं उसे drag करूंगी so I'll get the guide, and then जहाँ पे भी मुझे set करनी है वहाँ पे जाके I can leave my mouse. Maybe if I wanted this much, I'll just keep it this and then leave my mouse. So this is the guideline. Similarly, I'll do it downwards like this. Maybe this much is enough. And then on the left hand side and the right hand side like this. Even after setting your guides, you can move them. Simply I can click here, and if I want to move it, I can move it around. Fine. But at times when you're working and maybe जब अपने cursor को इधर उधर move करोगे, so at times it is distracting जब ये move हो जाती है by mistake. So you have an option to fix it. How you can do that? Again, I'll go to view tab, and over here I have the option of guides, and then I have the option of lock guides. So if I click on lock guides, now if I try to move these guides, I can't do that. See, neither I can click on it, I can't select it, and nor I can move it or delete it. Fine. And now again, if you want to change it, you can go to view again, guides, and then unlock guides. Fine. Now, other than clicking and dragging, we can also bring guides by double clicking. For that, let's see. First of all, I'll delete the guides. जो already मेरे पास guides हैं, I'll simply select that, press delete, again select, delete, and I'll do it on all the sides like this. And now, if I double click on the ruler, so you will see I'll get a guide. Similarly, I can simply double click, and you will see जैसे जैसे आप ruler पे double click करते जाओगे आपके पास guide आ जाएंगी. Similarly, on this area, I can double click and then get guides. Fine. Now I'll press Ctrl Z to step back like this. Now, if you want to create shape guides, for instance, let's see, I'll just choose the rectangle tool, and now rather than clicking and dragging, I'll simply click on this area. जब मैं यहाँ पे click करूँगी तो मेरे पास एक pop-up आएगा जहाँ पे मैं उसकी width और height decide कर सकती हूँ. So I'll take it 2.75 wide, and then come down, select the height as 1.75 tall, and then I can click on OK, and you will see I'll get this rectangle, but it is not where I want. So for that, what I need to do is I need to align it, and over here at the top we have the option of alignment. So I'll align it to center horizontally and also vertically. Now you can see we have the shape of rectangle. Now the next thing that comes is changing it to guides. So again I'll go to view tab and guides, and now you will see we have an option of make guides. Now if I click on this, so what you will see is this will become my guides. Fine. Now again I can go to view tab and again guides and click on lock guides. So now I can't even move it. Even if I select the move tool and if I try to move the guides, I cannot because we have locked it. So in this way, you can create your own custom guides. See you again in the next session. Till then, take care and bye-bye.